I am Digant Haria, your instructor for IIC 2021. Let me just give you a brief about myself. I have spent the last 10 years as an analyst for the financial sector in the sell side. Honestly, I was more of an investor at heart and less of an analyst. But I think when you marry both of these, that's what makes you a better investor. So 2020 is when I started my own firm, along with my sister who was doing this work for before. It's called Green Edge Wealth Management. I think it's the third time that I'm coming on this platform. Each time I come, I have received so much feedback from all the viewers. I think it's a great opportunity for us to present whatever we have learned, and at the same time get feedback from people, and also as that is as an instructor, but as a viewer, I think I can just sit in the comfort of my chair and listen to 10-12 great speakers every year. So that reduces a lot of work and plus sharpens a lot of my analytical skills. So thank you guys for having this platform. Like, it's a wonderful platform where each genre of investors, be it instructors, investors, analysts, everybody can learn and understand. My biggest learning of 2020 has been that you focus on the risk and do not lose hope. If you have taken care of the risks well, just be patient, just hold on to whatever stocks you have, and I think markets will reward you with 10 times to come. So it's not a hidden gem, it's not a micro cap, it's a very large company. Probably if you just go down half a kilometer from your house, you will see the board of that company. Anywhere in India you go, you will see that. It's such a large company, such a large business. There are thousands of data points which one can analyze, but I have tried to crystallize that whole story of the last 10 years and the next 5 years into 2 data points. That if you look at those 2 data points and track those 2 data points, I think you will at least get some grip over this extremely large company.